What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here today and show y'all what I got, because this is like the first time in a very long time your girl has done anything dealing with makeup.
This shit feels like teenage fever. High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume. I'm not scared of it.
I got a package from this company in the UK called Note Beauty, and when I tell you I got the holy grail of products in this. Carl basically is where it works with influencers over a certain amount of followers, and you can pick brands that you specifically want to work with, go on their site and go pick out products. So that's what I did with Note Beauty. I got an email and I was like, I want to try some new makeup. So Note Beauty decided to approve working with me, and I got sent this box. So I did pick out all of these things. Every single bit of it I picked out, but I didn't realize how much I picked out. So we're gonna go through this and we're gonna see what I actually got, because it's a lot. So the first thing is a palette, and as you can tell, it does look like this. Note Beauty Professional Eye Palette, and the palette that I chose was for blacks, grays, and whites, because I really did want like something really simple. So I did choose this. I have not tried it. It came with 2 brushes. Not good brushes, but whatevs. It's very silky. I really do like them. They're very pigmented colors, iridescent for sure. They're metallic, all except for the black and the white. The black and the white are definitely matte colors. We're gonna do a look with these. Not on this video, but we're gonna definitely do a Note Beauty look. Then I got the Terracotta Powder, and these have macadamia oil in it. What I thought these were blushes, right? The Terracotta Powders are more like the highlighters, from what I see, or bronzers, depending on how you want to use them. But they do look like this. They do have shimmer in them, so you can use it as a highlight. As you can see, it's like a shine. This color is the Warm Honey. I got Mocha Taste, Stardust, which is more champagne-y, and I also got Caramel Cake. Another one that I got was a blush, which is also terracotta. This is the Caramel Cake right here, which is a very pretty gold. Oh my god, I'm excited for this. I also got a blush, and this blush is called Sugar Scents. So with these, they more remind me of either a bronzer or a highlight more than blush, but that's just my preference. You can, you know, makeup is for anybody's preference. Then I ended up getting these Healthy Natural Glow Note Mineral blushes. These are a little different, and I ended up getting 2 of these in the mineral blush. I got the 102 color. Let me get the which is like this. And these don't have any shimmer in these, so you know, blush with no shimmer, which is what most people are going for. And you can honestly, these can also be used, since they're like the Healthy Natural Glow, these are more for people who like natural looks like me. And then I got the 103. This is Star Copper right here, and this is also a matte. This is Bronze Show. I got a mono eyeshadow. I usually like to get eyeshadows that are single, if they like if they're really like a good color. So I ended up getting the 105. This is what 105 looks like. Let's see. It's a very pretty purpley, coppery, not copper, but like it's purple with like silver iridescence. And I really like colors like that to like pop. You know, if y'all have seen my makeup looks or anything, you know I always like that pop of shimmer somewhere, whether it be my highlight or otherwise. The next thing I got was a skin perfecting primer because, you know, we all need primer. And this is what the primer is in. This is a pretty good size primer too. It is a pore minimizer and it does control shine. So when it's time to try these, we will see. I got the concealer, and this is a SPX. It does have SPF of 15 in it, so it improves cellular regeneration and relaxes your skin. And I got this in 203, which I believe is like warm honey or something like that. I might not show it. I don't think the Healthy Glow have names, they just have numbers. But this is 203 in the concealer. Lippies have to go last. I also ended up getting some foundation, of course, because you have to try the foundation, right? Have to try foundation. So I got the 113 in Honey Bronze. So we'll see if this foundation matches me. If it don't, I'll mix it, but we'll still see what the formula feels like when it's time. So this is the formula, and it also has an SPX of 15. For the price, this is pretty good. These are very affordable items. These items were like $5-6 a piece or $12. I think the most expensive ones were like the foundation, and they were like maybe $15. It was not that much. I also ended up getting some mascara because it was time. Y'all know I've been using that Sam Marcel mascara for like 2 years now, and it's time to get a new mascara. So this is the Sculpt Master Volume and Definition Mascara, and I really love this packaging. Like, look at this. Look at that. It's really dope. One thing about mascaras, they did have a lot of mascaras on their site. This is what the brush looked like. The brush has really fine bristles. The plasticky bristles that the pink Lots of Lash has, actually, that's what this looks like. I got 2 concealers and 2 lippies. So I did pick out the full coverage liquid concealer in Cool Honey, and also in Medium Sand. And that's really because, you know, you never know what colors you need, and I didn't know how these would look, so I got 2. One of them looks really, really gray, and this one is the Medium Sand. It looks really gray, but online it didn't look like that on skin, so we'll see. And this is the Cool Honey, so we'll see how these work when it's time. And let's go for the lippies, my favorite. Y'all know your girl love a glossy lip, okay? Lip gotta be glossy. I ended up getting Pink Nude and Vanilla Suede because, you know, nudes are my fave, and if I want to change the color up, I can, but these will always be good colors. So let's swatch these. Let's see what these look like, at least. So this is the Pink Nude. Oh my god, I love it. This is the Pink Nude. Let's see. It does have little pink shimmers in it. Really pretty. And I do like the applicator. This is actually one of my favorite applicators. e.l.f. has this applicator for their lip glosses, and I'm telling you, my favorite applicator, because it's not like the super felty tip. And this is the Vanilla Suede. Vanilla Suede on top. They're both nudes. The difference is the shimmer color in them. So the Vanilla Suede has more of a white tone to it, like a white tone, like it's white toned for real. and the colors in the shimmers are like purple and pink and white, but the pink nude has pink shimmers and that's it. So if you guys really do want to purchase these, I really recommend these as glosses that you would use on top of things or by themselves at any time. They're really pretty. That is what I got from Note Beauty. I really just want to come on here and show y'all because it has been a very long time since I did an unboxing of anything. Be on the lookout because I will be doing a makeup look. Actually, I have a lash lookbook coming really soon, so I hope you guys are ready. So if you have been having problems finding lashes that work for you, we're gonna vibe it out with some lash lookbooks. Y'all thought I was playing. The vibes is coming back, okay? And make sure if you would like a water bottle, get you a coldest water. I'm going to be doing a gallon water challenge again. So be ready for that because we'll be doing it next week. We'll be starting it. And as soon as we start it, we'll be posting on Instagram. And you need to tag me if you're getting in on it. If you're getting in on this gallon water challenge, when I post it, you post that you're in it. Because I need to know who I'm working with. I need to know who's down. Make sure you use my code if you want a coldest water. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too boring for you. I hope that, you know, you connected with me a little bit. You feel me? If any of you are homeschooling, because I know in the US right now, a lot of people are homeschooling due to the coronavirus and the rates going up. I obviously was going to be one of those parents that was going to homeschool regardless because of the fact that the rates were going up. And it's not safe to send your kids to school with people who possibly have coronavirus. It ended up coming back literally a couple days before they were supposed to go to school that like 10 teachers tested positive. Then y'all saw what happened in Georgia. Well, I'm in Georgia. Y'all saw what happened in Douglas County at that high school. Like, I don't get it, but if you're homeschooling and if you need a support group, we can make one. And if you would like to make one, we can do that. I know that homeschooling is very, very hard. We did end the year homeschooling last year. So starting this year off, Brayden's first day was today. Starting this year off, you know, we want to go in there with a positive mindset. And honestly, the only way to get through things like this is to have people that you can talk to about what's going on that can relate. Because, you know, homeschooling isn't easy at all. Your child isn't, it's not easy for your child, it's not easy for us. So just, you know, if you want to talk, if you need a safe space to talk about homeschooling or what's going on in your homeschooling household situation, let me know. I'll show you guys what I do with Brayden for homeschool once we get everything down pat. Today has been pretty easy, so it hasn't been super everywhere. But, you know, when projects start coming, who knows? He's hitting first grade, so we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to purchase anything from Note Beauty UK, I will have everything linked down below along with the links to the products that I got specifically. So I will have that link down below for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I don't know what you're doing if you haven't subscribed already. And if you like this video and you would like more like it, give me a thumbs up. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to leave me some comments because I like talking to y'all. Okay? Bye.
This shit feels like teenage fever.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
I'm not scared of it, she ain't either.